Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial we'll be creating this fun striped cake decorated with red candy coated chocolate. I've used a 5-inch cake for this project and it's already stacked and crumb coated. Here I'm creating a final layer of frosting in a green buttercream. Smooth it out to the sides and I'm doing it in little kind of batches or splotches here and there, and then filling in with a secondary color. You could just keep it all one color if you like. I just thought it might give the stripes a bit more of an interesting look. Once you've covered your whole cake, smooth it out with a frosting scraper. Fill in any pockets as you go, and then you'll need a square frosting comb to create those deep indented stripes. I'm using my extra thick stripe comb here and just going around, smoothing it out and really pressing in to indent those sides. If the raised sections are kind of splotchy, they have little holes here and there, fill it in as you go, and you basically want to create a really smooth finish on the raised section. I'm not worried at all about the indented area. Even if it shows through to the crumb coat, that's not a problem. Once it's all smooth, grab your chocolates and then stick it to your cake. For the bottom stripe here, I didn't actually add any buttercream behind the chocolate. I just pressed it straight into the cake, and the cake board will stop it obviously from falling off and whatnot. For the other areas though, I did dip my chocolate into a little bit of buttercream before applying it onto the cake, and the extra buttercream kind of worked as glue for me. If you're worried about your chocolates falling off though, I'd recommend using Smarties or Maltesers or the crunchy M&Ms, something really light. Jaffa chocolates work too, but they are a lot more solid and heavier. For the chocolate ball decorations, I've got some Nestle white chocolate melted down in the microwave. I've added in a little bit of oil and then I mixed it through so that when I add in my gel food colors in red and yellow, it doesn't seize the chocolate, so the chocolate stays nice and fluid. I've used a small and a large silicone sphere mold here and just brushing the chocolate into the crevices. You will do 2 layers of this for best results, so I'm doing 2 layers. You're more than welcome to do 1, but 2 definitely makes it much stronger. Not too fussed about the edges either, if they're neat or not, that we can clean up afterwards. I popped mine into the freezer and then I did my second layer again until it's set completely again in the fridge or freezer, and then gently push them out. For those really weird looking edges, you can take a knife and just cut off the excess. You can do the same again with that red if you like. Into the fridge, and then the second layer of chocolate goes on. Back into the fridge and then gently pop them out of the mold. In the meantime, you can grab a fry pan and just pop it onto the stove. Let it warm up for about a couple of minutes and then put it onto your countertop or wherever you want to work. Here I've got a little tea towel underneath, and I'm just going to use 2 sides of the chocolate, rubbing it against the hot surface, pressing them together and taking away the excess chocolate with my finger. And there you have your little chocolate spheres. Into a Ziploc bag, I've added some edible glitter in red by Rollcom. I'm going to roll and toss around those little chocolate balls until they're completely coated. Do the same for your smaller ones. Here I've got the gold edible luster dust instead. Arrange them onto your cake however you like. I've decided to kind of make a pile on there and sticking them on with a bit of buttercream. To hide the spaces in the middle, I've taken some of my little red candy coated Jaffa-like chocolates. And that's it. Your striped candy coated chocolate cake is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give it a go. Again, you could use colorful M&Ms or Smarties here instead. Totally up to you. If you do recreate this, I would love to see it. Hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can see your awesome creation as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.